How to make money on Upwork as an infographic designer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. So here, make sure to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then create my account. And for me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So I'm just going to continue with my email and password. And then they will take us to create our profile. So here, this is where you create your profile. And this is the last step of creating your profile. So let's go back to start from the beginning. Here, let's go back. And this is the first step of creating your profile. So let's get started. Here we have a few questions to go through. Have you freelanced before? And make sure to choose the question that fits your situation. Same thing with these other questions. And here for this question, make sure to choose all of them answers, even the third one as well. Then click on next to create a profile. And here you have three options to choose from. If you want to import your profile from LinkedIn, or you want to upload your resume if you have it in a PDF file, or if you want to fill it out manually. It will take less than 5 minutes. It will not even be close to 15 minutes. So for me, I'm choosing to fill it out manually. So click on start a new profile, and here enter your skill, infographic designer. Next, to add your experience or your previous work experience, you can enter the information in here. Same thing with your education. You can enter your education history in here as well. And then click on next to add languages. So as you can see, English is a must. So English is a must in this platform. And then you can add more languages if you can speak them. For me, I'm adding 2 more. The first one or the second one after English is Arabic. And then the third one is French. And my level in English is conversational. My level in Arabic is native. And my level in French is basic. Then click on next to add your skills. So here they've already suggested some skills for me, which is infographic. And here the maximum amount of skills that you can add is 15. So there is enough room for a lot of skills, as you can see. And then click on next to write an overview or a bio. So here write a bio to tell the world all about yourself. And this is an example of a bio. I'm a developer experienced in building websites, etc. And this is some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio, the easiest way that you can use is ChatGPT. Just go there and enter or type, I'm an infographic designer, give me a bio for my Upwork profile. And you will need just to verify the bio, add some personal information about you, and then copy and paste it in here. So for me, I'm going to take Marty's bio. I don't want to make the video too long for you by going to ChatGPT. So let me just do it this way. Next, to choose your categories. And here you can search for a service, or you can choose the suggested one. Then click on next to set your rate or your hourly payment. So here I'm going to choose $20 per hour, and then click on next to add your location and your profile picture. So here you can choose the date of birth, country, street address, and the other information. And for the profile picture, make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed, so keep that in mind. And when you're done with creating or setting up your profile, this is how you're going to improve your profile to get more clients. So let me just log out from the profile. You don't need to log out from the profile, and you need just to go back to the main page, which is this one. And basically the idea is that you're going to the search box and enter your skill, then look for the people that you have in your field, the infographic designers just like you, and see the highest earners of them, see how much they're getting paid per hour, and what are they talking about in their bio, the skills that they are doing. So this is the highest earner. He earned more than $300,000 and he gets $60 per hour. Let's see if you can find another one. I think that's the highest earner in this field or this category. So I don't think we can find more than $300,000. Let's keep looking. Another one who earned more than $300,000 and he gets $65 per hour, more than the one that we saw before. So this one is indeed the highest earner in this category. So here we're going to stick with this one. We're going to check his bio, see what is he talking about. We're going to check his profile and see what is he talking about in his bio. See how he's describing his skill, how much completed jobs he has, and the feedback that he has on those jobs, his stars. And if you can see his earnings, that's even better, but this is a private, it's private, we can see them. And we can also see his previous work and the work that he has in progress: art and design, complex data engineering simplified via art. And here, this is his portfolio. We can check his portfolio and see his work and try to get inspiration for our profile. And if you want to find work in this platform easily, just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and enter your skill in here, and you'll see all of the listed jobs that are requiring your skill. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.